So hello everyone, welcome you all back to the 12th standard mathematics class. Yesterday we have started the chapter 3 and today we are going to see the exercise 3.1. This is the exercise of this first chapter. Okay, so in the first question what they have given is, if the sides of a cubic box are increased by 1, 2 and 3 and its volume by 52, find the volume of the cuboid. So for this first we have to know the volume of cube and volume of cuboid. Volume of cube is x cube and volume of cuboid is LBH. Okay, this is the difference. So what they are given is, first there is a cubic box, so it's and we have its volume. Let the side of a cubic box be x, therefore its volume be x cube. Okay, so if its side is increased by 1, 2 and 3, so what is that? X plus 1 is one of its sides and x plus 2 is one of its sides and x plus 3 is one of the sides of the cuboid. And see, to find the cuboid, the volume of the cube is increased by 52. That is, we know the volume of the cuboid is L into B into H, that is x plus 1 into x plus 2 into x plus 3, x cube plus 52. This is how we get, and then we multiply this. So first multiplying x square plus 3x plus 2 into x plus 3 into is equal to x cube plus 52. We multiply this again, x cube plus 3x square plus 3x square plus 9x plus 2x plus 6 is equal to x cube plus 52. So here this x cube and this x cube gets cancelled. So we get the x square terms first and then x terms and then the constant term. That is, here we have two x square terms, that is 6x square, and two x terms, that is plus 11x plus 6. When it comes this side, minus 52 will be equal to 0. That is 6x square plus 11x. 52 minus 6 is minus 46 equal to 0. 46, right? That is 23 into 12 when divided by 6. See here, it is plus. So what we get, it is here it should be minus. So what we get here is 6x minus 23 into, this one is 1 and this is 2. So x minus 2 equal to 0. See here we get is x is equal to 23 by 6, right? See, ஒரு இதோட வந்து ஒரு சைடோட இது வந்து பாயிண்ட்ல வந்து this is not possible. So the x oda value is x is equal to 2. Okay, when x is equal to 2, we can find the three sides of the cuboid. So first side is 2 plus 1 is equal to 3, and the second side is 2 plus 2 is equal to 4, and the third side is 2 plus 3 is equal to 5. Okay, and the cuboids, see this volume of the cuboid is 5 fours, that is 3 into 4 into 5 is 5 fours are 20 into 3 is 60 cubic units. This is the answer of the volume of the cuboid. So we get into the next question, that is, construct the cubic equation whose roots are 1, 2, 3, and first let us consider this first division order. That is, alpha is equal to 1, beta is equal to 2 and gamma is equal to 3. See, this is the cubic equation, right? So there should be 3 summations, right? First is alpha plus beta plus gamma, that is 1 plus 2 plus 3 is equal to 6, and second is alpha beta plus beta gamma plus alpha gamma. What we get is 2 plus 6 plus 3, so here 11, and the third one is alpha beta gamma. What we get is 6. With these 3 we can write the cubic equation, right? The cubic equation is x square minus summation 1, that is 6. Sorry, this one is x cube minus 6x square, again it is plus, that is 11x, and then minus 6 is equal to 0. This is the required cubic equation. Now let us move on to the second subdivision. Okay, second subdivision, that is alpha is equal to 1, beta is equal to 1 and gamma is equal to -2. First in summation 1, what we get is alpha plus beta plus gamma is equal to 1 plus 1 minus 2 is equal to 0. And second summation alpha beta plus beta gamma plus alpha gamma. What is the answer? 1 minus 2 minus 2. So 1 minus 4 is minus 3. And in the third subdivision, what we get is alpha beta gamma, that is minus 2. So we form the cubic equation. First is x cube, as it is minus summation 1 into x square. Summation 1 is 0 into x square plus summation 2 into x. Summation 2 is minus, so minus 3x, and then minus summation 3, that is product of the roots, that is minus of, here it is already, here it is minus 2. So plus 2 will be equal to 0. This is the required cubic equation of the second subdivision. Let us move on to the third subdivision. Third one, what here given is alpha is equal to 2, beta is equal to 1 by 2, and gamma is equal to 1. So summation 1, 2 plus 1 by 2 plus 1, right? So we take 2 as common, 4, 2 as LCM, 4 plus 1 plus 2, so 6 plus 7 divided by 2. In summation 2, first this terms, so 1, again this 2 terms plus 1 by 2, again this 2 terms plus 2. So like this only, right? 2, 2 plus 1 plus 4, therefore 7 divided by 2. And then summation 3 is equal to, we multiply this 3 itself. When we are multiplying this 3, what we get is 1 is the answer. So the required cubic equation x cube, as it is minus sum of the roots. What is the sum of roots? 7 by 2. 7 by 2 into x square, and then plus summation 2 into x. Here 7 by 2 into x, and here minus 1 be equal to 0. Then multiplying throughout by 2. What we get is 2 x cube minus 7 x square is 7x minus 2 equal to 0. This is the required cubic equation of the third subdivision. Okay. Let's see the next sum, that is third sum. If alpha, beta and gamma are the roots of this cubic equation, x cube plus 2x square plus 3x plus 4 is equal to 0, we have to find the cubic equation whose roots are 2 alpha, 2 beta, 2 gamma, and another two subdivisions. So let us see first subdivision. First, let us take the from this cubic equation, we can form summation 1, summation 2, summation 3. How can we form with these? So இதிலிருந்து எப்படி எடுக்கலாம்? Summation 1 is equal to alpha plus beta plus gamma is equal to minus b divided by a. So it becomes minus 2, and summation 2 becomes, summation 2 is alpha beta beta gamma. We can write that, okay? Alpha plus beta plus gamma is equal to minus 2. Then summation 2, which is alpha beta plus beta gamma plus alpha gamma, which is equal to 3 by 1, which is 3. And summation 3 with this alpha beta gamma, which is equal to minus 4. From this we can form the equation of these roots. See, here the roots are, first for this, for first subdivision, summation 1 will be equal to 2 alpha plus 2 beta plus 2 gamma. We can take 2 common, therefore alpha plus beta plus gamma, therefore 2 into the value of alpha plus beta plus gamma is minus 2, which is equal to minus 4. And then summation 2 is equal to 2 into alpha beta, so sorry, 4 into alpha beta plus 4 into beta gamma plus 4 into alpha gamma. So here we can take 4 outside, and alpha beta plus beta gamma plus alpha gamma, the value of that is 3. So 3, therefore 3s are 12. And then summation 3 is multiplication of this, that is product of this. So 8 into alpha beta gamma, what we get is 8 into alpha beta gamma's value is minus 4, which is equal to minus 32. With these 3 we can form the cubic equation, that is x cube minus this one, that is plus 4x square plus 12x minus of minus 32 equal to 0. This is the first cubic equation of this one, for first subdivision's answer. Then we move on to the second subdivision. What they have given is the roots are 1 by alpha, 1 by beta and 1 by gamma. For this, for summation 1 by alpha plus 1 by beta plus 1 by gamma. What we take? We take LCM, alpha, beta, gamma. For in the upside what we get is alpha beta plus beta gamma is alpha gamma. Right? Because we have in the first term LCM denominator என்ன இருக்கு alpha மட்டும் தான் இருக்கு. So LCM எடுக்கும்போது மேலே வந்து beta gamma வரும். அந்த மாதிரி பண்ணும்போது alpha beta plus beta gamma plus alpha gamma divided by alpha beta gamma. So இதோட வேல்யூ இதிலிருந்து நம்ம சப்ஸ்டிட்யூட் பண்ணிடலாம். இதோட வேல்யூ is 3 divided by alpha beta gamma's value is 4. So minus 4. And then summation 2, what we get is 1 by alpha beta, 1 by beta gamma plus 1 by alpha gamma, which is equal to இதுக்கு என்ன எழுதிலாம் alpha beta gamma. But upல என்ன வரும்னா, so that's no numerator என்ன வரும்னா alpha plus beta plus gamma. Because இங்க denominatorல வந்து alpha beta இருக்கு, so remaining term தான் இங்க வரும், that is gamma மட்டும் தான் வரும். அதே மாதிரி எல்லாத்துக்கும் பண்ணும்போது alpha plus beta plus gamma வரும். So இதோட வேல்யூ நம்ம எழுதலாம். Alpha plus beta plus gamma ஓட வேல்யூ is minus 2 divided by alpha beta gamma is minus 4, which is equal to 1 by 2. And the summation 3, which is equal to 1 by alpha beta gamma minus 1 by 4. Alpha beta gamma ஓட வேல்யூ என்ன minus 4. So இதிலிருந்து நம்ம cubic equation எழுதணும் அப்படின்னா என்ன வரும்? minus x cube minus of minus 3 by 4. So plus 3 by 4 x square, and the second term is 1 by 2 plus 1 by 2x minus of minus 1 by 4 equal to 0. So multiplying throughout by 4, what we get is 4 x square plus 3 x square plus 2x plus 1 is equal to 0. This is the required cubic equation. Now let us move on to the third subdivision. Third subdivision la enna கொடுத்திருக்காங்க, அதோட ரூட்ஸ் என்ன minus alpha minus beta minus gamma. Third subdivision. So first step போல கண்டுபிடிச்சோம்னா summation 1 is equal to minus காமனா எடுத்துட்டா alpha plus beta plus gamma அதோட வேல்யூ என்ன minus 2. So minus of minus 2 when it becomes 2. Summation 2 is equal to அதே மாதிரி தான் நம்ம இங்கே மல்டிப்ளை பண்ணும்போது ஒவ்வொரு டேர்மும் நம்ம மல்டிப்ளை பண்ணும்போது மைனஸ் கெட்ஸ் ப்ளஸ். தேர்ஃபோர் alpha beta plus beta gamma plus alpha gamma தான் வரும். அதோட வேல்யூ என்னதான் இருக்கும் அப்படின்னா 3ஆவே இருக்கும். ஓகே, ஸோ சம்மேஷன் 3 என்ன பண்ணும் அப்படின்னா, ஸோ இதை மூணையும் நம்ம மல்டிப்ளை பண்ணும்போது what we get is minus alpha beta gamma. So minus of alpha beta gamma is minus of minus 4, that is plus 4. With these 3, when we write the cubic equation, we get is x cube minus of 2x square plus 3x minus 4 equal to 0. This is the required cubic equation of these roots, minus alpha, minus beta and minus gamma. Now let us move on to the fourth question. Solve the equation, that is cubic equation 3x cube minus 16x square plus 23x minus 6 is equal to 0. If the product of its two roots is 1. என்ன கொடுத்துருக்காங்க, இந்த cubic equation நம்ம சால்வ் பண்ணும். அதில் ஒரு க்ளூ கொடுத்துருக்காங்க என்ன அப்படின்னா, cubic equationன்றதுனால 3 ரூட்ஸ் இருக்கும், அதில் 2 ரூட்ஸோட ப்ராடக்ட் வந்து என்னென்னா 1 கொடுத்துருக்காங்க. நம்ம எப்பயுமே alpha beta gamma ன்னு எடுப்போம். ஸோ ஹியர் alpha beta is equal to 1. எனி ஆஃப் இட்ஸ் 2 ரூட்ஸோட ப்ராடக்ட் வந்து 1 கொடுத்துருக்காங்க. இப்போ ஆல்ஃபாக்கு பதிலாக நம்ம என்ன போட்டுடலாம், 1 by beta. ஸோ ரூட்ஸ் என்னது, 1 by beta, beta and gamma. These are the 3 roots of this cubic equation. As usual we can write alpha 1 is equal to 1 by beta plus beta plus gamma. The value is minus of minus 16 by 3, therefore 16 by 3 allowed. And then summation 2, what we get is alpha, that is beta by beta, that is 1 beta gamma plus gamma divided by beta. The answer is 23 divided by 3. And then summation 3, what we get is multiplication of these 3, this one get cancelled, therefore gamma alone. Gamma's value is minus of minus 6 divided by 3, that is 2 alone. Here we get gamma is equal to 2. Gamma is equal to 2 means we can put in this equation, that is, let us consider this as 1 and this is 2. Okay, so when we put in this equation 1 by beta plus beta, here it comes plus 2 is equal to 16 minus divided by 3. So this plus 2, when we get this side, this is minus 3. Therefore beta square plus 1 divided by beta is equal to 16 minus 6 divided by 3, therefore 10 by 3. Okay, this can be written as 3 beta square plus 3 minus 10 beta is equal to 0. Right, when we cross multiply, we get here as 10 beta plus 10 beta. When we get this side, that becomes minus 10 beta. So the equation is 3 beta square minus 10 beta plus 3 is equal to 0. So when we solve this, 3 into 3 is 9, right? So 9 ones are 9, but we have to get minus 10 when we are adding this. So here now we get minus 10 divided by 3. So when we solve this, we get 3x, sorry, this one is 1 and this one is 9. So x minus 3 and 3x minus 1, which is equal to 0. So one of its root is 3 and another one is 1 by 3. And already we know that gamma's value is 2. These are the roots of this cubic equation. So let us move on to the next example, that is 5th. Let us see the question. What they are given is find the sum of the squares of the roots of this degree 4 polynomial. So they have given a equation. What you have find is idoda roots oda sum of the squares vandu namu kandupidikanum. So first idoda summation 1, summation 2, summation 3 and the terms vandu namu kandupidichirom. So summation 1 is equal to, that is, see here it is this is the polynomial of degree 4, therefore it contains 4 roots, that is alpha, beta, gamma and delta. Okay, therefore alpha plus beta plus gamma plus delta is equal to minus 8 divided by 2, that is equal to 4. Again summation 2, that is alpha beta plus beta gamma, like that, that is alpha beta plus alpha gamma plus alpha delta plus beta gamma plus beta delta plus gamma delta, which is equal to, see, 6 divided by 2, what we get is 3. And then summation 3 is, we get alpha beta gamma delta, alpha beta delta and alpha gamma delta. See, its answer is, see here the x term is missing, so it becomes 0. And then the summation 4 with is alpha, beta, gamma and delta, which will be equal to minus 3 divided by 2. Okay, so we have find this. With this we can find what the question is. We have to find sum of the squares of the roots, that is alpha square plus beta square plus gamma square plus delta square. We have to find this. For finding this, how can we write? We know alpha plus beta plus gamma plus delta the whole square is equal to alpha square plus beta square plus gamma square plus delta square plus 2 times of this one, that is summation 2 comes. So this is the formula. So we want this alone. On keeping this and keep taking this one here, what we get is alpha square plus beta square plus gamma square plus delta square is equal to alpha plus beta plus gamma plus delta the whole square. What is the value of this? This is 4 alone. Therefore 4 square minus of 2 times summation 2. What is the value of summation 2? Right? So what we get is 4 power 4 is 16 minus 3 2s are 6. So the value is 10. This is the sum of the squares of the roots of this equation. So now let us move on to the 6th question. What they have given is solve the equation. This is a cubic equation, x cube minus 9x square plus 14x plus 24 is equal to 0 if 2 of its roots are in the ratio 3 to 2. So see, since it is a cubic equation, we have 3 roots alpha, beta, gamma. Okay. Now let us consider these 2 roots are in the ratio 3 to 2. On breaking this ratio, what we get is, that is a proportionality constant நம்ம add பண்ணும்போது ஒரு root வந்து 3 lambda ஆகும், இன்னொரு root வந்து 2 lambda and another one is gamma. So with these 3 we can find the, now we have to solve this, that is we have to find the roots. right? So இதை வச்சு நம்ம இந்த ஈக்குவேஷனோட கம்பேர் பண்ணி summation 1 summation 2 summation 3 கண்டுபிடிக்கலாம் first. Okay, summation 1 வந்து alpha plus beta plus gamma, that is 3 lambda plus 2 lambda plus gamma, that is 5 lambda plus gamma, which is equal to, this is minus 9, right? So 9 alone. And then summation 2, what it becomes, this one into, so alpha beta plus beta gamma plus alpha gamma. So first multiplying this 6 lambda square, and then this 2 lambda gamma, and then this 3 lambda gamma, which is equal to 14 alone. And then summation 3 is product of the roots, that is 6 lambda square gamma is equal to, what is the value here, minus 24. Okay, minus 24. So I am cancelling this 1, 6 4s are 24, that is lambda square gamma is equal to minus 4. From equation 1 what we can get is, from this, we didn't name it as equation 1, so let us name it as equation 1, this one is equation 2, and let this be equation 2. From equation 1 what we get is, gamma is equal to 9 minus 5 lambda. We can substitute this value in equation 3 for gamma, that is lambda square into 9 minus 5 lambda is equal to minus 4. So let us solve this, that is 9 lambda square minus 5 lambda cube is equal to minus 4. So on multiplying throughout by minus, what we get is 5 lambda cube minus 9 lambda square. So here it becomes 4. On getting this side, this becomes minus 4. So இதை வந்து நம்ம நார்மலாக இப்படி பிரிப்போம் இல்லையா, 20 இந்த மாதிரி டிவிஷன், இந்த மாதிரி ஒரு ஃபார்மேட்டில் வந்து நம்மளால் இதை வந்து நம்ம ரூட்ஸ் வந்து கண்டுபிடிக்க முடியாது. ஸோ நவ் வி மூவ் ஆன் டு திஸ். இந்த மாதிரி ஒரு மெத்தட் நம்ம வந்து ஸ்மாலர் கிளாஸஸில் படிச்சிருப்போம். வாட் இஸ் திஸ்? கோஎஃபிஷியன்ட்ஸ் மட்டும் எடுக்கணும். கோஎஃபிஷியன்ட் லாம்டா கியூபோட கோஎஃபிஷியன்ட் 5, லாம்டா ஸ்கொயரோட கோஎஃபிஷியன்ட் -9, லாம்டா இல்லை, ஸோ ஒரு கோஎஃபிஷியன்ட் 0, அந்த கான்ஸ்டன்ட் டேர்ம் இஸ் -4. ஓகே, ஸோ ஃபர்ஸ்ட் 2ஆல் நம்ம பண்ணும்போது this here it is 0, so on adding this we get 5, then on multiplying this 2, 5 2s are 10, writing here 10, on adding this we get 1 alone, so on multiplying this 2 into 1 2, on adding this we get 2, so on multiplying this we get 4, so at last we get, so இதை நம்ம எப்படி எழுதலாம் அப்படின்னா, சரி lambda தான் நம்ம வேரியபிள், lambda minus 2 into this term becomes 5 lambda square plus lambda plus 2 equal to 0. See, இதை வந்து நம்ம ரூட்ஸ் கண்டுபிடிச்சோம் அப்படின்னா இதுக்கு என்ன வரும்னா இமேஜினரி பார்ட்ஸாக வரும். ஓகேவா, அதனால இதை நம்ம லீவ் பண்ணிவிட்டு லாம்டாவோட வேல்யூ என்னென்னு எடுத்துக்கிறோம், இதை வந்து நம்ம வந்து விட்டுறோம். ஏன் அப்படின்னா இதோட பார்ட்ஸ் இதை நம்ம சால்வ் பண்ணோம் அப்படின்னா நமக்கு வர ஆன்சர் வந்து இமேஜினரி ரூட்ஸாக வரும். ஸோ வி ஆர் டேக்கிங் ஒன்லி 2. ஸோ லாம்டாஸ் வேல்யூ என்னது, லாம்டாவோட வேல்யூ 2. ஓகே, நமக்கு ஏற்கனவே வந்து காமாவோட வேல்யூ என்னன்னு தெரியுமா? சாரி, காமாவோட வேல்யூ தெரியாது, நம்ம லாம்டாவோட வேல்யூ 2னா, ஸோ ஒரு ரூட் என்ன வரும், 3 lambda, which is equal to 3 into 2 is 6, and again இன்னொரு இது என்னன்னா 2 lambda, that is 2 into 2 is 4, 6 4, and we are going to find the value of gamma from third equation. So we know third equation என்னது, lambda square into gamma is equal to -4. We know the value of lambda, right? Lambda square ஓட value என்ன, 4. 4 into gamma is equal to -4. 4 gets cancelled. Therefore gamma is equal to -1. Therefore 6 4 -1. This is the value of, so this is the roots of this cubic equation. So hope you have understand everything of these 6 sums. We can see the next remaining sums in the next video. Thank you everyone.